So, first of all, your reaction regarding the verdict of the election.
Yes, as I have already mentioned, even in my message on social media, that we very humbly accept the mandate of the people, and we have to move forward from here. I have also taken the opportunity to wish both the MPs the very best, and of course there are a lot of expectations, a lot of work to be done, and I'm sure they will be very capable of moving a lot of things in the parliament and getting things forward. So I wish them the very best, and as I said, we accept the mandate of the election and of the people.
Sir, do you think it's a wake-up call for NPP?
You see, elections are all, every election is different. The issues are different in every election, and the way people vote in every election differs. There are many factors that work in election. So therefore, we cannot compare one election with another election. But having said that, obviously any election and any defeat in any election calls for any political party to introspect, for individuals to introspect. So, it's a part of process of election and democracy, where we win some elections, we lose some elections, but it is always the duty of every political party to learn from their mistakes and look into the issues that were there in the election and why the possible results could have happened.
So, but
Sir,
for NPP,
sir,
what
for
went
the-
wrong
One by
here?
one.
What went wrong? What is it that you all failed?
We can't say specifically right now because there are too many factors. We are looking into it, and it will be too premature for me to give a knee-jerk reaction to the entire process. But there are many factors, and we have in fact had a couple of rounds of meeting already to discuss. I've met most of the party leaders, senior party leaders here in Shillong. I came back last night, and since then we've been meeting many people, and we are assessing the situation. But as I said, it will be too early for me to come out with the entire diagnosis, but there are many factors.
Sir, for this, what it is means, why NPP could not get this to the seat? What went wrong? 18 MLAs.
That's true. We've seen this kind of trend in politics in the past also. This happens in many constituencies and many states where the state government is for one party. We have seen many situations where in the MP election we don't win. So it's not something that doesn't happen. Yes, I would like to thank the people of Garo Hills that for the last 46 years they have put faith and trust in the leadership of the party at different levels, and we have done our best to serve the people, and we respect, as I said, the mandate. There are issues, there are concerns, and it is our duty now to accept it, and our duty to introspect, and our duty to find out where we can improve and be ready for the next elections.
Is there any threat to the government following two defeats?
We are obviously into looking into all the aspects, but I'm very confident. I had a meeting with all our coalition partners. In fact, just now also we were having almost a marathon meeting with all the coalition partners, especially the UDP had come to meet me today. I had met the leaders of the BJP also, and we have all discussed all the different issues, and we have reiterated that we will complete this term. We will work together in a very stable manner and continue to serve the people based on the mandate that they gave to us.
UDP president called for your resignation following the defeats.
The people of the state have given us a mandate in the assembly elections, and it is that mandate on the basis of which a government is formed. So I think they'll have to do their homework a bit on this. Election in 2023 was the election for the assembly, and people voted for most of the coalition partners. They gave more seats than what was given in 2018, and therefore that is a mandate based on which this government was formed. And hence it is completely wrong for anybody to mention that.
What is the performance of the NDA overall?
Well, we have to assess what is happening in the NDA. That is a different issue altogether, because it's at a much larger level. We have to check all those details. But more importantly, we have a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha, and obviously we have reiterated that we are part of the NDA. In fact, I'm leaving for Delhi tomorrow evening. There is a meeting that the Prime Minister has called of all the NDA chief ministers, and I'll be attending the meeting day after tomorrow. Regarding the elections and what happened at the national level, the NDA has managed to repeat for the third term, which is a very, very big and humongous task, which normally does not happen. A third term is a very, very difficult proposition for any government. But the fact that the NDA has managed to continue that is in itself a very big thing. And I'm sure that the economic agendas and development agendas that were started in the first and second term will continue. And we will see many of these economic agendas helping the people of the Northeast and Meghalaya state.
Sir, Assam CM is blaming one community of Meghalaya for the loss of NDA in northeastern region, sir. How do you react to that?
I cannot comment on what Mr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma has said because I have not seen those comments. So I'll refrain from making any comments till I see the full statement.
So, a silver lining for your party has done well in Arunachal. Your thoughts?
Yes, we have always reiterated that our party has tried to give a platform for the people of the Northeast, and we will continue to do that. We have maintained our national party status, and we thank the people of Manipur and for having elected 4 of our MLAs, 5 of our MLAs in candidates in Arunachal Pradesh, and we will do our best to serve the people of Arunachal and the Northeast as a whole.
Coming to